Well, do-it-yourself guns. For enthusiasts, they commonly involve metal or polymer pieces known as 80%. On Friday, 23 ABC was the only station to cover a raid by the ATF as it happened at a store that specializes in these unfinished gun parts. 23 ABC's John Genovese now has more on these weapons in question.
Chris Cook regards himself as an expert on homemade guns.
If we could get your shipping information.
Back in August, we talked to him about his online business selling unfinished lower parts of AR-15 rifles. But on Friday, a much different conversation.
They're under the assumption that we're manufacturing illegal firearms, which is completely untrue.
Federal agents raided his brand new store in his Southwest Bakersfield home.
As long as you don't sell it, you keep it for yourself, it's legal.
Gene Thome owns a different local gun shop.
I guess the big selling point for some people is it doesn't have to be registered, doesn't have a serial number.
Despite offers, Thome chose not to sell the unfinished polymer or metal pieces in his store.
You just build it up from the ground up.
Complete parts can sell for around $150, but they need to be registered. The do-it-yourselves can be brought home today for as cheap as $30. This part, it's called a lower receiver. 80% look a lot like this without all the holes and cutouts. With the right tools and parts, you get something more recognizable. When it's all put together, you get something that looks like this, a complete AR-15 rifle.
I think at some point it could be a gray area. That's one reason why we never did sell them in the store.
Still today, the ATF didn't tell us why EP Armory was targeted or what agents were looking for, calling it an ongoing investigation.
They did take some of our inventory. They did take some of our paperwork.
For now, the low parts have Cook caught up with the feds.
We'll just kind of have to maybe have my attorney look into it a little bit more, exactly what's going on.